Hello everyone, welcome yet again to another episode on my YouTube channel as I have been vlogging about the previous vacation I have undertaken, that is Cape Town. So on today's episode we have factory shopping and of course ice skating at Grand West Casino. So I hope you will enjoy this video. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Okay, hi guys. So today we are doing factory shopping. Wherever we come to the factories and well, things are slightly cheaper. So come with me. For example, this is Cotton On's factory. You know those things you're buying expensive in Cotton On? You're gonna buy them cheaper here. Show them around just a little bit. Lovers. Welcome. Alright, so we just came out of New Balance. Now I am heading over to the Soviet brand and then the underwear factory shop. I'm sure you can see them there. So let's see what they have here. Hi, how are you? Fine, fine. Let me see what I can find for myself here. Hopefully there is something. Wait, are these prices for the caps? Mommy. Yeah, so the journey continues. So all of this morning go. I wish I could go in here, but my girls have left me, so I think I'll pass. But let me get inside here. Well, the unfortunate thing is we have limited time in these factories, but so far I managed to grab myself a few things from Cotton On and of course from Soviet. Guys, I'm just busy vlogging and I'm not even talking where I am going. So let me see. Diesel, this is where they are. They left me. So alright, so I just came out of like a perfume shop. Guys, I never get enough of perfumes and I just wish I had like a lot and lots of money. So let me go check out what's in the Polo and in this Bialy and the rest of the shops ahead there. Well, so in case I didn't come back empty-handed, it shows that I went factory shopping. Let's go, Grand West. Huh? Yeah, join me, please. Yes, please. Don't forget to subscribe. You know, hit the subscription button. Give it a thumbs up. By the way, this is Hemi, aka Julia. She's a cool girl. This one is Monica. She calls herself Monica. Can you say hi to my people? Okay, till next time, guys. Bye. Vem matar minha saudade, faz essa vontade do meu coração. Faz amor comigo, me tira dessa solidão. Vem matar minha saudade, faz essa vontade do meu coração. Faz amor comigo, me tira dessa solidão. Vem matar minha saudade, faz essa vontade do meu coração. Essa solidão. Cape Town streets are so lovely. Every corner is just so perfect. The people that live here really like it. I know, right? It's like this every day. Grand West Casino, here we come. Woo, I am so excited because I'm going to skate. I am going to skate, guys. Where my love for skating was birthed. So I am going. We are at Grand West Casino. This is where I discovered my love for skating, and so I'm going to ice skate. So you guys should come along with me and enjoy with me. Hey, a little bit, but on the other side, usually. You are looking for KFC?
No, that's what they're saying.
Oh, okay, let's find it. KFC is there.
Yeah, me too.
So Grand West is beautiful, guys. There's a lot of eating places actually. But first thing first, I think food later. Let's go to the restaurants and get ready for the ice. So my first and second visit to Grand West wasn't like this. Like, this is so chilled, calm and quiet. There's not many people actually, and I think I prefer it this way. The first time we came a bit more at night, I think, and that's why it was so full. The second time we had an event, business event, so it was full. It was full. But this is much better. I don't like crowds. So I prefer this. This is nice and quiet. Yeah, so I love the roof for Grand West. It always feels as though you are somewhere like, you know. So let's go pay. Let's go pay for our ice skating, and then we get started because we don't have enough time. Just like that. Okay, you know the mistake I made? The mistake I made was coming here and I didn't bring a jersey along. So I'm now freezing. I am freezing. But I know I won't die. I won't die. So, okay, I'm back yet again. Beautiful family. Guess what? Oh no, guess what? You can see what's on my background. So this is a place where I discovered my love for skating, and this is my third visit to Grand West Casino, and I'm here specifically just for ice skating. And let me see how I'm gonna do now. I mean, after all, I've been doing inline skating there back at home, so I'm sure I will do pretty much better. So we're waiting for 2 o'clock because it starts at 2 o'clock only, and then let the game begin. I'm excited, guys. Woo! Thank you.
Come back.
So I thought I was a pro by now, but unfortunately, not yet. It's still scary, but I'm gonna try anyways.
Not really. Because we are just actually starting. We didn't start yet. I'm not sure if time will allow, but
Guys, I'm
was a lot.
Go. This was so short and I'm not happy. I'm supposed to stay longer. And just like that, we have come to the end of this short video. I really hope you have had some fun watching it. If you happen to find yourself in Cape Town, check out some of the factory shoppings, and of course try Grand West Casino. If you're an adventurous person like me, ice skating is definitely a must attend. So thank you guys. Until next time, toodles.